Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how easily FFStudio supports any custom FFmpeg builds. We will build FFmpeg from the source and add our own filter, and then use it directly inside FFStudio. Let's start by creating our own FFmpeg filter. For this example I will use an existing one as a base, the FPS filter. We will copy it and rename it to FPS FFStudio. Next, let's modify its description and add one custom options. We will call it FFStudio FPS. Everything else stays the same. Now let's build FFmpeg with our new filter. And yeah, this part takes forever, because I'm building it inside VirtualBox. It's slow as hell, like really slow. After a few hours of compiling, it's finally done. Let's check if our custom filter actually made it in. Yep, there it is, FPS FFStudio. Let's double check its options. And yes, our custom parameters FFStudio FPS is right here. Now let's use our custom FFmpeg build inside FFStudio. We will create a new workflow and call it FFmpeg custom. Then we will point our FFStudio to our freshly built FFmpeg binaries and specify the environment path to our shared libraries. That's it. Now let's search for our new filter node, and there it is, FPS FFStudio, with all our custom options working perfectly. And that's how you use your own FFmpeg build in FFStudio. You can add new filters, modify existing one, and integrate them easily. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out FFStudio for more cool tools.